Tubers. This is the last one for today. 14. Rogue. Moron. Rogue? 14 Rogue, right? Code P0335. Crank sensor. Engine been changed. And they tried 2 sensors from both old engine, new engine. This is the result. I'm scoping I ran a wire from the signal wire from a crank sensor down below, and this is the scope on it. This is a green channel, okay? Crank. No signal. 5 volts is there from the computer, but there is no signal. All right, we're gonna investigate and see what happened here, but this is why it's not starting. Crank sensor is not producing any signal. Okay, subscribe and tell your friend.